Comedian One Wizen Araris has passed away due to a sudden heart attack. Comedian One Wizen Araris is a father of a daughter and was known for his various comedy works and films. He is an artist who is remembered for his participation in various comedy-related joint works for the Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam, which was held on 8,100 short text messages. The comedian you see between comedian Marcos and artist Alma Mahal is comedian One Wizen Araris, who has now passed away suddenly. We had booked a ticket for him to go to Dire Dawa for service in 2 weeks. He is useless. I want to serve my mother. He said call me when there is a service. We went ahead. May the soul learn. May we give our condolences to his family, friends, and colleagues on the sudden death of comedian One Wizen Araris.
እግዚአብሔር